It's Tay. I'm trying to hold this with my left finger, but I need to go get my nails done and my toes repolished before I take my hair down, because it's been up almost 3 weeks and it's done with. But I'm gonna get my day started. Well, it's actually been started, but I've been cleaning up. It's 11. Wait, it's 11:28. I've been up since 6:30. But I'm actually waiting on a load to get done. Shirt was folded up, but this is what I'm wearing. I got some pink leggings on. No, slight work. There you go. I need to lose that belly so those pants can look right. But I'm waiting for this load to get done so I can take it out, so it just won't be sitting in there. And then I'll head out. But I'm going to get my nails fixed. I need a fill in and a repair. I'm going to get my toes repolished. This is actually the same day I recorded my last video. It's just later on. But I'll see y'all when I get in the car. Hey y'all. So I'm headed out now. Feels so good outside. I didn't put any lotion on. None at all. But I'm like, I really don't care, because I can put some on once I get done getting my nails done. So,
waiting for powering.
oh. That's where I'm headed now. I need to get another car mount, because my other one broke. It was cheap anyway, but I need to get another one because I have you on like a handheld. What's it called? What's the thing called that you put stuff on? Tripod. It's like a handheld tripod, and it's like bendy. But yeah. So I'm headed to get my nails done, and I will see you when I get there. Hey y'all. So I'm back, and it's actually, I just got my nails done. Got my toes done too. But I'm actually waiting on my brother to come check my car for me, because when I was on my way out here, this light kept popping on, and it was saying, no oil pressure, please stop safely. What? Okay, so I'm waiting on him, because my dad is at work, but I'm waiting on him to get out here just so he can check to make sure ain't nothing too crazy going on. Grab some oil, throw it in here until I get an oil change, you know. But yeah, actually, it's so confusing. Like, y'all see this pinky nail? I don't know if it's gonna focus, but you see it's all slender. Then look at this one, and it's all wide. But they're never always the exact same shape. But yeah, I'm actually supposed to be going to get my eyebrows done. Excuse my acne. To get my eyebrows done, threaded. And then I was gonna go back home, finish cleaning up, then go pick Katie up. I'm just sitting here waiting. But I want to go to Walmart. For what? See, I just go to Walmart just to go to Walmart. I don't know why. But yeah. I'll see y'all once I get my car checked on, and probably when I'm at Walmart, or maybe when I'm back home. I'm not sure, but I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all. So I'm back, right? My brother got me set up and everything. I'm good now. My car's fine. So I get KD, because that's who watches Kaden, is my sister-in-law. So I get him. We in the car. I have him in my car. He gets a hold of us some chapstick. Can y'all see his lips back there? Look. Say hey, Kay. Hey. Y'all, just too much. But we very close to I'm gonna go around the other way. We're very close to Walmart, so I had to get something for my dad. While I'm in here, I'm gonna get a car vent mount thingy. But yeah. But I just wanted y'all to see that. I'm gonna have to get a close-up because his mouth is greased up. Yeah, I'm not talented with this one-handed thing. So not safe at all. Period. Period. But alright, I'm from the park. Is it me? Or, like, am I the only mom that parks close to a buggy? What is it called? A buggy wrangler? Where you push the buggies for the workers to come get them, you know. So I got cut off because my brother called me. But Kaden, show them your hand. Seriously? Seriously, what I have to deal with. So y'all, we just left Walmart, right? And guess what I forgot? Guess what I forgot? Can you tell? The freaking vent. What's it called? Vent phone holder thingy thing. But I'm finna go get my eyebrows done. What did you say, babe? Oh yeah, he's saying he's gonna watch cartoons on my phone while I get my eyebrows done. Cause we done this one time before, and he did so well. He sat there, nice and quiet, watching YouTube Kids or whatever. He was a perfect little angel, right? So we're gonna try this again and see how it goes. I'll let y'all know once we I was trying to let them out. I'll let y'all know how it goes once we. This doofus jumping around people, so impatient. But yeah, I'll see y'all after. Ew. Let's wipe your nose.
Look at it.
We'll fix that when we get home, okay?
People. Hey, money.
Lock the door.
Hey, money.
You're okay, babe. Let's go. Come on, walk up with mama. Come on. Hey y'all, so I'm back home, and really I didn't even record when I went into Walmart, but didn't even go there for much, just some of the Minute Maid fruit punch, you know, that fire juice, and some flushable wipes for Kaden. Oh. You know, I got this meat for my dad. The girl that was what's it called? I'm just call it the meat cutter. The meat cutter girl. She was because she asked if she could help me, and I was like, yeah. But I was actually on the phone with my dad because he was checking. No, I was on the phone with my sister-in-law because Katie had left a toy. So I was trying to hurry me get off the phone with her. And, you know, I stood back so it wouldn't be like I was holding up the line or anything, but it was nobody over there anyway. But I guess she was just ready to go on and, you know, help me or whatever. And so I got off the phone real fast, and then I was like, yeah. And then I was checking to see what my dad had asked for. I was like, you know, told her what it was. I just told her the kind of turkey that it was, and then she goes over there and starts cutting. She didn't even ask what slice to put it on, you know, the thickness. So when she put it on there, I just was like, on number 2, just, and I guess it's right because I guess she heard me, but because it looks right, but yeah. And then she just sat it up. She weighed it and was like, is that okay? I was like, yeah. You know, like being polite as ever. And then she just sat it on the top of the thing, and I was like, oh, thank you. And I'm like, ew. And I said it to where she could hear me. I don't know if she knew it was for her, but I was like, ew. We're just eating. I got some Baconator fries from Wendy's. And that's going to be it for today. What you say? Well, that's going to be all for today. Oh, yeah. I got my eyebrows done. And I think the lady thought I was going to say something. Okay. About this eyebrow. Which I think she actually did that. And it looks like a bald spot in it. But don't look too bad to me. But she thought I was going to say something about this. Or she could have been talking about my acne. I don't know. But I thought she was going to try to say something about this. I cut the end of my tail of my eyebrow off back when I was in middle school. And it never grew back. Like, the most of it grew back, but the tail never grew back. Ever. I put castor oil, everything. I put castor oil, everything on there, but it never grew back. But that's all for today, you guys. Somebody's going to party. But hope you enjoyed this. If you would like me to, like, incorporate, like, more scenes, like, going into stores or, you know, stuff like that, just let me know, and I'll do it. But that's all for today. So, y'all, I literally almost forgot what I was, you know, I didn't even mention my feeling. Oh, no, I think I did mention it. But if I didn't, here it is again. Got my feel. And I really, in my toes. It's an orange. It's a bright orange. It shows up kind of reddish. Yep. That's all I wanted to add. I'm finna eat and chill for the rest of the day. It is 3:49.